back once again, and today we will discuss a small topic from reasoning, that is intelligence test. It's said to be series. So in series we have 2 to 3 type of models, that is letter series, number series and mixed series. But whatever the series, you have to by heart the square values up to 30 squares and 30 cubes. You have to by heart up to 30 squares and 30 cubes. And mainly the series depends upon the two models, that is difference and multiplication. So we have to concentrate on difference and multiplication models only for the entrance examination for both the standards. So 6th and 10th, 6th and 9th. So basing on this thing, what are the questions they generally ask in the examination? We'll do nearly 30 questions. So after getting 30 questions, and if we cover 30 questions, we'll be getting a clear-cut idea how to take the question from intelligent test of series. Students, if you see the very first question from series, that is letter series. So letter series, he has given us T, R, P, N, L, and what should come in the place of question mark. As we said, as we already learnt coding and decoding, and already we by-hearted the numbers of particular alphabets in the previous chapter. So depending upon the same thing, we have to focus this letter series. So before starting this letter series, question number 1, now just try to put the numbers of this particular letters. P is 20, R is 18, P is 16, N is 14, and L is 12, and then we have to find it. As I said at the beginning of the introduction, we have to focus on mainly difference and multiplication. So if you see the difference here, 20, 18, that is minus 2, 18 to 16, that is minus 2, 16 to 14, that is minus 2, and 14 to 12, that is minus 2. Again, it's in the pattern of decreasing difference. Therefore, if you minus 2 from 12, that will be 10 here, and minus 2 from 10, that will be 8. And what is the letter stands for 10? The 10 is nothing but J. And what is the letter for 8 stands for? 8 stands for H. Therefore, your answer is nothing but J and H is your answer. Students, if you see the question number 2 here, question number 2 is also very much similar to the question number 1. Now, try to put the numbers for all the alphabets here. B is 2, D is 4, F is 6, I is 9, L is 12, P is 16. As I said, to see the difference of the particular numbers here, 2 to 4, 2 becomes 4 minutes plus 2, 4 to 6, that is plus 2, 6 to 9, that is plus 3, 9 to 12, that is plus 3, 12 to 16, that will be plus 4. If you see here, plus 2 plus 2, plus 3 plus 3, again plus 4 plus 4. So we have to add 4 to 16, and that becomes 20. And what is the letter stands for 20? There is nothing but a T. So your answer is T is your answer. We shall see the question number 3 here. Question number 3 also is related as question number 1 and 2, as question number 1 to 5. We are dealing with letter series. Now try to put the numbers for all the letters here. H is 8, I is 9, K is 11, N is 14. Now see the gap here. 8 and 9, the gap is plus 1. 9 and 11, the gap is plus 2. 11 and 14, the gap is plus 3. Again, it is in the order. Series means it's in the order. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Next should be plus 4. 14 plus 4, there will be 18. So what is the letter which stands for 18? There is nothing but R. So your answer is nothing but R is your answer. Now we shall see the question number 4 here. Question number 4 is also 1, 2, 3. It is same as 1, 2, 3. Now try to put the numbers for all the letters here. 1, 7, L, 16, 19. Because A is 1, G is 7, L is 12, P is 16, S is 19. According to the alphabetical order. So now see the gap here. 1 and 7 is nothing but plus 6. 7 and 12, it is nothing but plus 5. And 12 and 16 is nothing but plus 4, and 16 and 19 that is nothing but plus 3. Plus 6, plus 5, plus 4, plus 3. It's in the pattern of decreasing order, decreasing series. Then it should come here. Now it's the case of plus 2. Now if we add 2 to 19, that becomes 21 here. Now what is the letter which stands for 21? There is nothing but U. So your answer is nothing but U is your answer. So if you see the question number 5 here, question number 5 is written as A, B, N, C, D, O, E, F, P. This is also as question number 1 to 4. If you see here, in the case, if you see perfectly A, B, C, D, E, F, by leaving a letter between A, B and C, D and E, F are letter leaving, and E, F and P are letter leaving, then we have dropped E, F, the answer should be a G, H. Physically, It is in the case of continuous A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. But there is a letter leaving between those continuous letters A, B, N, C, D, O, E, F, P. So similarly G, H. If you see here N is 14, O is 15, P is 16. Next should be 17. The 17th letter should be Q. So the answer is G, H, Q is your answer. So students, up to question number 5 we covered letter series. Now number series starts. Now if you see here directly they had given the numbers 4, 7, 12, 19, 28 as the beginning of the topic. I said that to see the difference of each and every model. Primarily we have to see that difference of the question. The difference between 4 and 7 is nothing but plus 3, 7 and 12 is nothing but plus 5, 12 and 19 is nothing but plus 7, and 19 and 28 is nothing but plus 9. So if you see here plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, plus 9, next number should be plus 11. So if we add 11 to 28, that will be nothing but 39. This is the case of increasing odd number series 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. So your answer is 39 is your answer. If you see the question number 7 here, so directly by seeing the question, directly you can see the answer is 27 because these are all the odd numbers 11, 13, 17, 19. The question number 8 here, the numbers given as 2, 5, 9, dash, 20, 27. So as I said, to see the difference of the very first model of the question. So 2 and 5 that is plus 3 and 5 and 9 that is nothing but plus 4. Now what should come here we don't know. Now let us consider 20 and 27 is plus 7. For an example, it is in the case of increasing sequence, that is plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. Now let us take it down. If I consider plus 5 here, 9 plus 5 is nothing but 14. If I say that 14 is your answer, the pattern should match the next numbers also. Now what is the difference between 14 and 20? That is plus 6. So your answer is, the series exactly matching plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. So your answer is 14 is your right answer. Now see the question number 9 here. Before doing this question, just try to focus those numbers. As the beginning of the topic, I told you to by heart the squares and cubes. If you by heart the squares and cubes perfectly, then without putting the pen on the paper, you can see directly, you can say the answer directly. See, this 120 is very much nearer to 121. 121 is the square of 11 square. 99 is very much to 100, that is 10 square. 81, that is 9 square. 64, that is 8 square. And this will be 49, that is 7 square, and the next number should be 6 square. That is 36, one number should be dropped. So the answer is 35 is your answer. The question number 10 here, just try to put down the difference of those numbers because this is not a near to square or near to cube. So just try to see the difference of the numbers. 6 and 17, the difference is nothing but that is plus 11. 17 and 39 is nothing but plus 22. 39 and 72 that is nothing but 33. Next the series order should be plus 44. We add 44 to 72, that is nothing but 6. 116 is your answer. So 116, the difference of 11 multiples. So answer is 116 is your answer. See the question number 11 here. By seeing the question number 11 directly you can say this answer as 13 because 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 those are all the order of prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and the number of next order of prime number should be 13. So your answer is 13. See the question number 12 here is given as 1, 1, 4, 8, 9, 27, 16. So the numbers are in the case of zigzagging. See here up to 27 is increased and again the number dropped 16. So when you see the numbers are very nearer to themselves or when the numbers are in the case of increasing, decreasing or increasing, decreasing, definitely it is a case of alternative series. If you see here 1, 4, 9 and 16 is the case of 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Similarly 1, 8, 27 is the case of 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube and next should be 4 cube. 4 cube is nothing but 64. So your answer is nothing but 64 is right answer. Question number 13 here. Question number 13, it's the case of multiplication because when a smaller number start in the series and it is going on increasing pattern. If you see a number with a single digit started, if you see in the case of fourth place of a number, it is the case of 3 numbers, 3 digit number. So definitely when the number is a smaller number to the higher number, definitely it is the case of multiplication. If you see here, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 threes are 108. According to the series, 108 threes are, that is nothing but 324 is your answer. See, this is also case of, exactly it is the case of question number 13, because as the question number 13 I said that when a number starts with a smaller number and ending with a very bigger number, it's going on increasing with very higher number or bigger number, then it is the case of multiplication. That should be noted very clearly. So that is the key point here. So 1 ones are is 1, 1 twos are is 2, 2 threes are is 6, 6 fours are is 24, and 24 fives are is nothing but 120, and 126 are is nothing but 70. So your answer is 120 is your answer. So you see the question number 15 also, the number started with 8 here, of course it is reversed. Up to 14 questions we are doing from left to right. Now in the case of 15th question, he has given in the case of right to left. If you see here, it is number started with single number 8 and is ending with 5760, the 4-digit number. So definitely it is the case of multiplication. Now try to focus it. 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Obviously 48 4s are, 4 8s are 32, 3 carry, that is 192. Of course 192 5s are, 5 2s are 10, 0, 1 carry. 5 9s are 45 plus 6, 4 carry, 5 1 plus 4, that is nothing but 960. And 966 are, that is 5760. So your answer is 192 is your answer. It is the case of multiplication. So you see the question number 16 here, 1 2 3 6 9 8 dash 54. So if you see before solving the question, as I said that try to follow two models, that is difference or multiplication. So if you see the numbers also within the range, it's not on increasing, so there is no case of multiplication. So of course there should be a followed with some logic, either difference, multiplication or small logic. So if you see, if you consider every two numbers as a set of numbers, every two numbers as a set, if you consider every two numbers as a set, if you see here 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 9 2s are 18, and what is the number if you multiply it with 2, that comes 54. It's simply nothing but 54 by 2, obviously. If not 54 by 2, that is nothing but 27. 27 2s are 54. So the answer is 27 is your answer. Friends, if you see the question number 17 here, the question number 17 is the case of multiplication, because the number starts with a very small number and ended with the 4-digit number 1127. So if you consider here every two numbers as set in the previous question, so 9 3s are 27, 31 5s are 155, and 161 7s are 1127 into 3 into 5 into 7. But this is also a set, because we don't want the another number to make a set and multiply that particular number into 9. Now in what pattern he had went, we have to find. If you see here 27 and 31, there is a difference of plus 4. He added plus 4 to 27, now it becomes 31. So similarly 151 to 161 also, if you see, he added plus 6, that becomes 161. So similarly plus 4 plus 6 is the case of even at the gap of 2. And if you added plus 8 here, 1127 plus 8, that is nothing but 1135. So your answer is 1135 is your answer. You see the question number 18 also, without doing this question, by seeing those numbers, if you are aware of squares and cubes, definitely you can say this answer, because these are all the cubic numbers. This is very much equal to the cubic numbers. See, if you place 8 here, that is 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube. By minusing, what's the difference of 1? It's all the cubic numbers. If I place 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, and again 512. 512 is the cube of 8. 2 cube, 3 cube, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So take away 1 from 512. So your answer should be 511 is your answer. These are all the cubic numbers by difference of a single number 1. See the question number 19 here. Just try to get the difference of those numbers here. Between 2 and 2, that is 0. 2 and 5, that is 3. 5 and 13, that is 8, and 13 and 28, that is nothing but 15. So if you examine these numbers, bottom of these numbers are very much closer to the square values. See, this is very much closer to the square values. If I place 4 here, if I place 4 by adding 1 to all those numbers bottom here, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9, 16, and next number should be 25 because this gives you square values. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, and 5 square. So try to take away a single number, a number from 25. Now that becomes 24. Now we will add 24 to 28. That is nothing but 52 is the answer. Now we see here, by getting the difference of the numbers, you got 0, 3, 8, 15, 24. And 0, 3, 8, 15, 24 are very much closer to the square numbers by adding 1 to all the difference of the numbers. So we added 1 to 24, that becomes 25. So therefore you have to add 24 to 28. That should be 52 is your answer. If you see the question number 20, 563, 647, 479, 815. These are the numbers. So do not upgrade by seeing those numbers. So series you have to follow only three models, that is a difference or a multiplication or some logic. If you see here, the numbers 563 is increased to 647, again it dropped. Again it is increasing. Again it should be dropped. That is addition, subtraction, addition and subtraction. You can easily say that by seeing these numbers. Now if you see here, how much is increased 563 to 647? Just try to difference 647. 563, 7 take away 3, 4, that's 14 take away 6, 84. So there is nothing but the addition of 84 to 563 that gives us 647. That is clear. Now try to see the difference between the second number and the third number, 647 to 479. That is nothing but 8. That is nothing but 168. You see the numbers here. 17 take away 9, that is 8, and 13 take away 6, that is 6, and 5 take away 4, that is 168. 168, that is plus 84 minus 168, and the next number is nothing but plus. If you see here, how much difference between 815 and 479? 15 take away 9, that is 6, 10 take away 7, that is 3, and similarly that is 7 take away 4, that is nothing but 336, that is 336 here. If you see very clearly, these are the multiples of 84. 84 2s are 168, 168 2s are 336, and 336 should be, that is nothing but 672 minus. You have to subtract 672 from 815, that is nothing but 3, 5 take away 2, 3, and that will be 4, this is nothing but 143. Now the answer should be 143. This is also case of difference. So we see the question number 21 here. Question number 21, if you see the difference, 1 and 3 plus 2, there is plus 1, again plus 4, and there is plus 7, that is not matching in order. Series means to follow an order. So it is not the case of difference, or it is not the case of any nearest to square or cube numbers here also. And it is not the case of multiplication because it is not the larger number from 1. If you see from 1, there is not a larger number, greater number. So definitely it is the case of some logic. If you see here, 1 plus 3 plus 4, it gives you 8. 1 plus 3 plus 4, that gives you 8. If you add 3 numbers here, that is 8. Again, next 3 numbers, 3 plus 4 plus 8, 7 plus 8, that is 9. That is giving us 15. Next 3 numbers, 4 plus 8 plus 15, that is nothing but 12 plus 15, that is nothing but 27. So next 3 numbers, 8 plus 15 plus 23, 8 plus 15. 8 plus 15, that is nothing but 23. 23 plus 27, that is nothing but the answer is 15. The addition of numbers themselves. See the question number 22 here. Question number 22 also, if you see the difference or multiplication or nearest to squares or nearest to cubes, it won't match. So definitely it's also a case of some logic. Now try to find out the logic here. 6 are 36. 3 6 are 18, and 1 8 are should be 8. So his answer is 8. It is nothing but multiplication within the numbers itself. 6 6 are 36, 3 6 are 18, 1 8 are 8. So the answer is 8. So we see the question number 23 here. It is given as a set of letters A. 1 letter, 2 letters, 3 letters. The answer should be 4 letters clearly because he has given 5 letters. So these are all the set of letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you see here, between A and CD are letters missing. That is B. Between CD and GH, 2 letters are missing. There is nothing but EF. And next pattern should be 3 letters missing. That should be J, K, L, you have to leave. And the pattern should be M, N, O, P. Because he has left 4 letters, that is Q, R, S, T, left 4 letters and he ended with U, V, W, X, Y. So the answer is nothing but M, N, O, P because it is a consecutive alphabetical order. So if you see the question number 24 here, by seeing the set of letters here, by seeing you can say directly that the alternative pattern of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J, K, L. This is the case of consecutive order of alphabetical order in the case of alternative series. So J, K, L means the alternative pattern should be M, N, O. So if you see here Y, Z decreasing pattern, decrease in the reverse order of alphabetical order Y, Z, W, X, U, V, set of letters S, T. Next letter should be Q, R. If you see here, Q, R, M, Q, N, R, O should be the answer. The answer is M, Q, N, R, O. See the question number 25 here, attribution. So if you see the decreasing pattern or changing of the word attribution in the following way. So from the first word to the second word of the same attribution, he dropped A and N. He took away A and N for the second case. If you see here clearly A and N is missing, the remaining letters all he dropped. T, T, R, I, B, U, B, U, T, I, O. From second case to third case, he dropped 2 letters. That is, double T dropped and D dropped, and he kept all the remaining letters here. R, I, B, U, T, U. And if you see the case number 3 to 5 here, again he dropped first letter and the third letter. First letter and the last letter. So the remaining letters he dropped. I, B, U, T, I. So according to the case, from second to third case, you will have to eliminate these 2 letters. That is IB to eliminate. The answer should be UTI is your answer. If you see the question number 26, this is the case of model number 3 in the series. So by seeing the alphabets, and some of the students can say directly that by seeing these alphabets, if you place AB, AB, B here AB, 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 AB. By seeing the pattern, we can put the letters. By substituting the letters, we can say directly. If not, what you do that, count the letters including with the spaces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 means what are the factors of 12? 12 is nothing but 2, 6 are. The very least value is nothing but 2. If not 3, 4s are. If not 2, we have to consider for all 3. If not 3, we have to consider for 4. By segregating this pattern for every 2 set of letters. Now if you see here, AB, a pattern matches here, A. If I place B here, AB. If I place A here, AB. If I place B here, AB. So if I place here, AB, 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 AB. So this is the case of series, is a pattern match. So answer is A, B, B, A, B. What I substitute the letters? So the answer is A, double B, A. Question number 27 also, AB dash dash B double A dash dash AB dash. Now as I said that if you can put, some of the students can put directly by seeing the pattern by taking the options. If not, you just count it down and take the factors from the very low number to higher number. But it also takes. If you see pattern clearly by seeing the options, if I place here A, B, B, if not A, B, A, A, B, A, A, B, A, A, B, A, A, B. If not, I am segregating by for every 3 set of cases. Because this is the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 3s are 12. The factors are 2, 6 are, if not 3, 4s are. For every 3 set, I am segregating it. So now I am putting as ABA, 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 AB. So the pattern matches. ABA, ABA. So AA, BA, A is your answer. If you see the question number 28 here, by seeing the pattern, you can say directly that MAN man, MAN man, MAN man, MAN man, MAN man. If not, by segregating for every 3 set of pattern of letters, to segregate in this fashion, MAN, 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 MAN. By seeing the spaces, by substituting the cases, by seeing those remaining pattern, we can substitute. So the answer is double A, M, M, N, N is your answer. Double A, double M, double. So now see the question number 29 also. Question number 29 is also similar to the previous one. By seeing that, you can place according to the given options. Place and we can find out in that way also. If not, count with the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 we got, and the factors for 16 is nothing but 4 4s are. So because we have to consider, because MOP, we can see the letters as MOPN. We got 4 type of letters there. So I consider directly to take 4 here, because we got 4 letters, 4 separate letters, that is MOPN clearly. So for every 4 spaces, separate it, for every 4 blanks you separate it, then you try to see here from the second case and the fourth case MO is there. If you substitute the third letter as P, because the third letter in the first case also P, the third case also P, the fourth case also P, and one blank is finished. MOPN is also N here. If I place N here, that's also MOPN. So the answer is MOPN. So now substituted letters are MN, P, MON. So the answer is MN, P, MON. So question number 30 is also same, very much similar to the previous questions. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4s are 16 clearly, and also there are 4 characters here. L, R, S, T, U. Of course, you can see the characters R, S, T, U are the characters. If I segregating the 4 characters, 4 spaces of every case, then I can examine, I can see that clearly that in the 4th space, SC is here, S is here, and S should be here, and S should be here. Now RT. Now if you see the first case, R is here, and R should be here, and R should be here. Now 2 blanks finish, R2US, RTUS, there also T, RTUS. Now the substituted characters are R, S, U, R, T, S. The answer is R, S, U, R, T, S is the right answer. So this is the case we have to do this series. So friends, these are 30 questions of series, and try to focus 9th class standard videos also, because if you practice number of questions, that is very beneficial to you, and is also there is a high scope to score more marks in reasoning, because you will be getting intelligence 25 questions, 25 twos are 50 marks. So if you practice number of questions, that is very easy, because intelligence is also very easy. So you can practice that, you can score 100% of marks in section of intelligence. So basing upon this pattern, we are placing 10 questions or 20 questions depending upon the space and depending upon the time in the description box. You kindly go through the description box questions also. Or any viewers watching this video for the first time, kindly like it, share it, subscribe it, and tap the bell icon for the further notifications. Thank you.